y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a grocery haul from Sam's Club and Walmart. I didn't get as much stuff at Sam's Club that I normally get because it seems like I'll go there about once a month and get a whole lot, and then if I have to go back, it's usually just because I ran out of some things. But anyways, I did share both places with you guys, and I'm also sharing with you a chicken recipe. So if you like this kind of video, then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are new here. Now let's get into today's video. So that intro went in a little bit to the Sam's Club haul, but what I got there is milk, sour cream, eggs, chicken, and ground beef, frozen strawberries, broccoli, florets, cuties, bananas, fresh strawberries, and fresh blueberries. And I want to say I got cottage cheese. Yes, cottage cheese. I think I said sour cream. And this time I got the avocado cups because they did not have the Members Mark guacamole cups, and those are what I normally like to get. Love getting the ground beef there because it's 7% fat, so it's pretty lean, and it's, I believe, like $3.25 a pound right now, so pretty good deal on that. So these are some of the usual things that I do get at Sam's Club, and then we're going to get into what I got at Walmart.
So today's video is a grocery haul from Walmart, and I'm also going to show y'all what I got at Sam's yesterday, but I'm just going to voice over on that one. But here's a close-up. I got some carrots and spinach. I basically just got stuff that we were out of that we usually get. Shredded iceberg lettuce, mushrooms. We plan on having tacos one night, which is why I got some of that stuff. But I got these Fiesta Fit low carb wraps, and I bought 2 of these, and they were a little bit more expensive, but they were the ones with the lowest carbs in them. And so I want to give these a try to see if we like those. And we got this cheese. I can't really see. It's some kind of pepper cheese, but it was on sale, as you can see. That's why we got that. Some cheddar, red onion, some apples. Jack took one, there were 4. And we were out of honey, so I got this one. This was the local one that they sold in stores, so it's from Arkansas. And these bread and butter chip pickles. Bread for the boys when we had pasta one night. I got the knots and the breadsticks. We were out of trash bags, and I've been getting the black heavy duty ones. These are multi-purpose, and no, it's just like the tie bags, not what am I trying to say, the flap ties, not the strings. And I hope this is my last box of diapers I will have to buy for Jack. He is potty trained, but we're still trying to work. Okay, my camera went dead, so I think I went ahead and put this stuff up because it was cold. But starting here, and I got these veggie spirals, and I actually got the big bag instead of the small one that I normally get. Some fruit and grain bars. These are our favorite chocolate chip granola bars that the kids eat, and some of these have been opened because they've gotten into them. But Jason picked out these pure protein bars and the lemon ones. These are good, and we're loving these kind bars, and I got the minis so we could have 2 different flavors and just kind of like a smaller bar instead of the bigger one. I got this hard salami, and this was actually a really good deal. It was $4.49, and it's huge. It's like over a half pound, or yeah, 53.53, and it's so much more money when I buy it at Kroger. So that was good. Some ham, boys like ham, and I'm trying this one out, buffalo chicken. Cheese, a string cheese. I like this one because it's not too moist. Turkey sausages. And we really like the Great Value coffees, and this mocha is good. And I'm not sure if we've had the cinnamon vanilla, but we've got that. Jack wanted some donuts, so I'll let him get those. Capers for chicken one night, some salsa for taco night. And if y'all saw my Instagram stories the other day, I bought these turkey chomps. I love the beef chomps, but I don't really care for the turkey. I can eat it. They are less calories. I think the beef are 90 compared to the 60, but I really like the beef better. And this was a good price at Walmart, and I got the family size of the hummus. We needed some toothbrush heads for our electric toothbrush and some mouthwash. And then I have all of this left. I've just been kind of like sliding it over, but Jack loves black olives, so I kind of buy these just to have on hand for different meals. Tomato paste, and I'm going to try a new way to store this because you know you never use all the tomato paste, and you know you can even buy them much smaller than this or in the tubes, but I'm going to try a different way because I didn't see the tubes today. So I'm going to try a way to store this, and I'll share that with y'all. Black beans, chili beans, petite diced tomatoes, regular diced tomatoes, tomato sauce. Jason picked this out. It's corned beef hash. My camera's like being crazy and not focusing very well. I like don't know how to use it that well. Refried beans. And then Jack likes these. He loves the cinnamon, and so does Luke. The go-go squeeze. Hot Pockets for when we need just something quick. Spaghetti sauce. We were out of ketchup. And I'm going to try not to buy juice as often as I do. So I got a big apple juice and a big orange juice, and we'll see how long that lasts. A big thing of goldfish, and I was out of broth, so I got 1 beef, 2 chicken. But now I've just kind of like made a mess of it, and I've already put some stuff up that y'all have seen earlier, but that is my Walmart haul, and now I'm going to share with you my Sam's Club haul.
Okay, so obviously I've already shared with y'all our Sam's Club haul, and I'm getting right into this chicken recipe, and it starts off by searing and cooking through some chicken breast, and so I just cut them in half because I just wanted smaller portions and wanted them to cook a little faster. And I just put some olive oil in this hot frying pan, and I'll kind of fry them, cook them through, and then remove them. And then we'll add the other ingredients. But while the chicken is cooking, I'm cutting up 2 bell peppers, and I'm using a yellow and an orange one, but you can use any color. And then I will slice up some white button mushrooms, and you can also use any type of mushroom that you like. And to wash these, I do rinse mine off, and then I wipe them with a towel to get all the dirt off. But I do remember watching Rachel Ray, and she said to never really get them wet because they really absorb all of the water, and I can totally see that. I can't personally not get them wet at all, but you wouldn't want to soak them or anything like that. But I'm also going to be slicing up some black olives. Of course, you can save yourself a step by buying the olives that are already sliced. And I am adding a carrot to this dish, and I think I cut up 1 carrot, maybe 2, and I can't really remember why I only cut up 1 or 2, but you can definitely add more into this dish if you would like.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby.
So for this recipe, it calls for onion, but the last time I bought a big bag of onion, I knew I wasn't going to use it fast enough, so I diced them. And this is actually a gallon bag that I froze, so I'm just going to get what I need out of this.
I don't need another you. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet.
Here is where you will add all of your seasonings, and I will add the ingredients to this dish in the description box down below, so be sure to check that out.
Whoa, no, no, not yet. Whoa, I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be.
I always underestimate how big of a pan that I'll need when I cook, so I just changed from a small pan to a large pan. That's all I did there. I'm adding in the diced tomatoes and the tomato paste, and then putting the chicken back in to cook it all together.
Fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels.
So the last step to do here is to put the olives on top. Pop that into the oven and just bake it through. That makes your chicken not get overcooked, and you can add fresh Parmesan on top, and that's it. And it's a pretty healthy dish. I'll be sure to include the recipe down below in case you want to try this out. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Thank you guys for watching so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.